Hello and welcome to this new course. Today we will talk about AdSense and how to make money online with AdSense. This is a course for beginners in which we will introduce AdSense and teach you how to get approved when you make an AdSense account, what are the requirements, what are the guidelines. This course will walk you in a step-by-step manner until you have a fully functional AdSense account that you can use to make money online. Before we start, it is no secret the number of available job opportunities in the private and public sector is very small. Significantly low wages, prompting many young people to look for alternative opportunity to work and get a source of income. Working online or work from home or freelancing is one of the most common ways to achieve a solid income. You can work through the internet and employ your skills in getting a continuous source of income or at least learn a new skill. So you should stop complaining and start now. There is a place for you. All you have to do is show some resolve and take off. Let's clear some wrong ideas. There is no income without work. If you want quick ways to make money, this course is not for you. This session dedicated to those who want to devote enough time to profit from the internet. It's a simple equation. A major effort equals large profit, and vice versa. Millions myth you hear that is achieved in a week is not myth. People can achieve such amounts only after they reach a stage of knowledge and work only God knows. You will not become a millionaire overnight. You need enough work hours and a brain to achieve a respectable source of income. Just as ordinary jobs, you are working at least 8 hours a day to achieve, for example, $300 a month. Working online is very similar. Hours and effort against which the money. There is no fast profit. I'm not saying this to disappoint you. There is fast profit, but you have to work hard and to reach a certain level of knowledge and let's say working hours to achieve a very large income in a very short time. So you should start and do some work, practice and practice again until you master the game of making money online. What you will get when you join this course: more than 20 lectures and 2 hours of professional content with continuous update. Continuous update means that the course will not just be 2 hours, it will be updated monthly with new content about AdSense. So this will be your AdSense Wikipedia that you can come back to each time you have a question about AdSense or AdSense policy or how much you can profit from AdSense, etc. Online support for all students sessions and answer all your questions first hand. Each trainee gets at the end of this session or this course accredited certification, global degree in marketing and promotion mail, a huge collection of software and electronic books that I will add to this course as bonuses. What do you need? No need for any academic qualifications or previous experience. You just need a brain, a will and determination to change, the ability to apply, not just watch. Many of you are just watchers. They like to watch a course, go from lecture to lecture and postpone the application of what they just learned. So this is very wrong. You shouldn't go to the next lecture until you apply what you saw in the previous lecture. Let's talk about the target audience. Our target audience are students and graduates of universities from all disciplines. interested in the field of e-marketing and social networks and making money online, interested in providing an additional source of income. If you are interested, you should join this course. And if you are a website owner and you just hear about AdSense, please take this course. What we will talk about in this course: AdSense introduction and definition, how to register properly and acceptable for AdSense or get accepted for AdSense, how to create accounts hosted and non-hosted in AdSense, how to create a Gmail account, and we will talk about AdSense alternatives and how to deal with it, and we will explain the control panel fully detailed. See you next lesson. Thanks for joining this course, and I'm sure you will be happy with the results after this course, and you will be able to guarantee a second source of income if you already have one source, or you can make Google AdSense your first source of income. This is Moneymakers team, and happy learning.